Hello families, I am hoping that this video will help you guys be able to see your grades and keep up with your students' work much more quickly. We'll see, give me some feedback, let me know if this helps. This is what their home base looks like. This is a Google slide and it should be bookmarked, but we come into this every day. So I'm sure you can ask your student, hey, can I check your home base? And they will, I hope they should know what you're saying. This is also where we have our weekly work schedule. But if you continue through our slides, I'll just quickly walk through them, but we've got birthdays, we have our daily schedule, we have our Catch Up and Pickles activity, which is something we started a couple weeks ago. Instead of Fun Friday, it was a little easier to do distance learning. We have our groups. And then on the next few slides are what we call our sticky slides. And this is how you can keep up with your student. Every student has a student number. It's written on their math books and their notebooks. And every number is where I keep track of their daily assignments. So AR is the top, and you can tell by the key because it says AR is that kind of funky red color. Writing is the light blue. Math is the yellow. Reading comprehension is the pink. And science or social studies, when we have it for an actual assignment, is going to be green. Most of these boxes are broken into 4 parts because there's one assignment for each day of the week. So there are 4 assignments in writing, there's 4 assignments in math, and 4 assignments in language arts. I look every day between 3 and 4 on an average day to see if they finished that day's assignments. If they finished that day, they get the color. I highlighted the box that color. Now, if they complete it late, their box will be highlighted just kind of an off shade, just to show me and you, if you're looking, that, yep, that assignment's in. It wasn't on time, but it is in. This M stands for MobyMax, if they completed their MobyMax minutes. I put little stars on there sometimes if I'm super impressed with, their answer and they really put a lot of thought, so you're going to see some stars in there. And then the pickles come about Thursday night, and that's when they start to earn their pickle if they've completed all their work. So you can see here some examples of students who have completed all their work for the week and some examples of students who have some of their work done for the week. And then there are 3 different slides. So we've got these slides. So these guys, some of these people are so close, they're just missing their AR goal or they're just missing one assignment. They'll go in, and see, we'll have some time on Fridays to get that finished. There's a couple students who are just missing their MobyMax, so we're super close. And then again, we have a few more students on this 3rd slide, so there are 3 slides that you can look at. So we've got some students who, they're just missing that AR or MobyMax, just a couple. For the most part, our kids are doing great. Now, if you want to see actual grades, those are in the Google Classroom classes, but I know that's a little cumbersome to look at. So I'm hoping that knowing about the stickies will help you. I'm just going to scoot down a smidge bit more because there's some link here if you need these extra links so you guys know where they are too. Oh, wait, there's another secret part. Up here is also some links. If you don't know what the missing assignments are from the past, you can click on this all weekly work and it will show you stickies from all the last weeks. I think that's about it. I'm hoping that this helps you out. And like I said, give me feedback if there's still some more information you'd like to have. Hope everything's going well, and I appreciate all of you for picking up your student pickup things. That's not super easy to get to, I know, and I appreciate all of your efforts. So thanks a lot. Bye.